Dear sir, it is great meeting you today in your office. I have a list of few questions which I would like to ask you. Shall I proceed to you,
Yeah,
sir?
very well, you can proceed.
Thank you, sir. You have held key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. What are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
Yeah, well, nursing is a noble profession, and nurses are dedicating their services for the best of the mankind. So, I am very lucky to be in the nursing profession. Here in nursing, if we want to stay as a ideal and best nurse practitioner, we need to have sound knowledge and update ourselves with contemporary nursing practices, like what's happening in the world about nursing profession. And also there are so many career opportunities in nursing. We can reach to the better heights in our professional practice. To be frank, I started my nursing career as a registered nurse in the year 1992, and I have completed my 23 years of service. So today I am in the position of a professor as well as a principal in an esteemed institution. I'm very much glad to say that I am in nursing profession.
It's really so motivating, sir. I would like to ask you another question, that is, being the principal of RB College of Nursing, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
Yeah, I always prefer to be an democratic leader. We cannot achieve everything alone. In a collaborative efforts with a great spirit, we could able to take our institution to the better excellence. I believe in my faculty members. I believe in my staffs working for the best of our institute, and I will train them and I will teach them and I will lead them along with me so that we could able to attain the goals which we have set to reach the maximum level of our RV College of Nursing.
Yes. I would like to ask you the next question, sir. Being the principal of RV College of Nursing, how you strategize about the key programs and the plans for marketing and administration of your school?
In fact, in our RV College of Nursing, we have undergraduate program, 4 years undergraduate program, that is called Basic BSc Nursing program, and MSc Nursing program in mental health nursing as well as medical surgical nursing. We have full admissions from the beginning, and we believe in quality education by adapting good teaching methodology and technology, and also we are striving hard to provide better and the best hands-on professional skills for our students. And our alumni, students working in India and abroad, I can say that they are our ambassadors and they are in the better position, and they are keeping our RV College of Nursing name in the pinnacle. So we need not to struggle for admissions. We are getting good number of admissions every year because of our quality, because of our honesty in providing quality education for our students in classroom as well as in simulation and also in real clinical setting.
Yes, sir. The quality everyone knows, that is really well renowned. The next I would ask, the education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can be an inbound student gain from studying here in your college?
In India, we are giving much importance for theoretical teaching. For example, in UG program, our nursing students are learning around 4,500 to 5,000 theoretical hours in 4 years. Whereas in abroad, they doesn't want to have such an extensive theoretical teaching. They will focus much on skill set. So in abroad, there will be super specialized nursing programs with the credit system, like ostomy nurses, nurse anesthetist, emergency nurse. We don't have that kind of educational concept in India, and yet to come. And recently, Rajiv Gandhi University, Indian Nursing Council has started a residency program at postgraduate level in nursing, especially critical care nurses. This type of program should evolve in more and more specialities so that we could able to generate highly skilled and specialized nurses so that they could able to work in different corporate hospitals as well as high-tech hospitals. So,
how does the curriculum of Army College of Nursing ensure the best practice of industry?
our RV College of Nursing is following Indian Nursing Council syllabus as well as statutes laid by Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. So, whatever the guidelines given by Indian Nursing Council for theoretical teaching, simulated teaching, that is laboratory teaching, and also the clinical teaching in real clinical setup, we do follow, and we have our own parental hospital, Aster RV Hospital, wherein all specialities departments are existing and expert doctors are available, expert specialized nurses are available, and we are sending our students for RV Aster Hospital, and I hope our students are learning better. Apart from these parent hospital, we are sending for super specialty hospital relevant to the criteria, relevant to the curriculum, like cardiothoracic nursing, uronephro nursing, orthopedic nursing, pediatric nursing. We are sending for regional institutes to attain clinical skill set for our students.
That's really wonderful, sir. Any insight into how your college would be more welcoming to students of different races and economic backgrounds?
Yeah, we never discriminate ethnicity, and we do welcome students from all over India and abroad. A majority of the students belongs to northeast part of India, and also we are getting students from southern regions of India. So here there is a mixed culture of students, and they are good in studies, and they do learn properly in classroom as well as in laboratory and clinical setting. And our students, wherever they are working, so far most of the hospital administrators are appreciated very well. That is the positive strength of RV College of Nursing.
That is what even a friendly environment a child wants, sir. That is really good. What do you think your roles and responsibilities to the college and the students are?
Yeah, as a principal, I need to look after the faculty members and I should keep them happy. And meanwhile, I need to expect the work which they are performing because they are the asset of the institute. And my faculty members, they are highly skilled, educated, and having vast experience. They are excellent in classroom teaching, simulated teaching, and clinical teaching. And we are following the mentorship in different departments like pediatric nursing, mental health nursing, medical surgical nursing. So they will train our students as a mentor with handhold concept.
Yes, sir. So, what do you think should be the university's top priority over the next 10 years?
As far as I'm concerned, India needs another 1 million nurses, and we are lagging behind of nurses in proportionate to the Indian population. One nurse need to cater 1,000 population, but we have not attained it. So more and more number of nursing institutions must be established, and they need to work hard to provide better learning environment, teaching learning environment by appointing the best faculty, providing the best learning environment like library, classrooms, and clinical setting, so that we could able to train properly our nurses and they could be able to work in India and abroad with contemporary nursing scenario.
When you first came to RB College of Nursing, what was your vision for the college?
Yeah, I wanted to bring more number of specialized nursing courses in our RV College of Nursing, like critical care nursing program, that is a residency PG level program and PhD level program, and remaining super specialty nursing courses, so that we could able to prepare top quality nurses and they could able to work in our Aster RV hospital as well as even in other corporate hospitals as well as in government and private hospitals. That's my vision, and our RV must be iconic in nursing education. That's my ambition.
So, has it evolved over time, and how far you have been able to implement your vision?
I am keep trying. It's not the first institute. RV College of Nursing is not my first institute. I have worked in more than 5 to 6 colleges with professor and principal designation. Wherever I have worked, I have tried my level best to bring a good, healthy, professional changes, so that we could able to add good educational skills, good educational experience for our students. That's my belief.
And sir, your changes are inevitable. What would you like people to know about your college that they want to know?
Yeah, people should realize and understand how is RV. I think especially in Bangalore, everyone knows the brand of RV. Why? Because we are very honest in providing quality education, and people are having that faith with RV institutions, so that we are getting every year nurses from nursing students from all over India. And I believe in future even our RV College of Nursing will be amalgamated in RV University.
What do you think or see as RV College of Nursing's greatest strength?
Yeah, our RV nursing students are good in hands-on skills and they have sound knowledge and they are competent enough to work in different clinical scenario and settings. That's our specialty. And they never hesitate to work in any critical situation, clinical situation. They will take it as a challenge. They will learn and they will try to put it in practice. And we are preparing highest quality nurses with scientific reason.
So, what are some of the biggest challenges you see both for higher education in general and for RV College of Nursing specifically?
Yeah, in future, nurses should give more importance for research-oriented activities. That is, whatever the evidences which are generated through nurse scientists and nurse researchers in India and abroad, that we need to implement in our day-to-day practices and even in the curriculum. Time to time revision has to be happened to match up or else to bridge the gap of Indian nursing practice scenario with global nursing. That's what I wanted to say is we have to be on a path, standardized path with the global nursing practices.
So, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Yeah, majority of our Indian youths are not aware about the career opportunities in nursing profession, and we need to give a message to the society with regard to the nursing profession, how important the nurses are in maintaining the good health of general public. This is what I wanted to say. More number of youth should come forward to pursue nursing education so that we can cater better health care for general publics.
Thank you so much, sir. It
Thank
was
you.
nice
Thank you.
interacting with you,
Thank
and
you.
the students will be learning a lot from you.